Lucy Crenshaw here. Now, of course, this is inside my head also. So this rat right here, this alien, this creature, this rat, resides in here. Makes me pretty smart, though. Tells me a lot of stuff. What we're going to do now is we're going to talk about the alien, the rat. It's not an alien anymore, it's a rat. So we're going to take the word alien. Okay? Alien takes us to the words a-lean. A-lean takes us to bank. Bank takes us to money. Money takes us to our dollar bills, okay, which are green, okay, and have little portraits of men. Now, little portraits of men become little green men, which is an alien, which is fear. And we know that our paper money only has the head part of the president on the money because they're telling you that the head part is where the alien is. Now, we're going to use George Washington and the dollar bill. The back of the dollar, everybody always says there's some type of hidden code secret. Well, the back of the dollar, the symbols, we have the eagle, wheat, and arrows. The eagle represents the human brain. The wheat, the letters in wheat just become W-H-A-T-E. That spells weight. And that is just a sinker. Okay? Okay? Wheat represents the sinker. Eagle represents the brain. The arrows, arrows means harpoon, which means fish. So the eagle means brain, the wheat means sinker, the arrows mean fish. I touched on this briefly last night. So we have the human brain, we have the fish, sinker, that's the nail, that's Jesus. Then we take the eye from inside the pyramid and the other part of the seal, and we put the nail, see, we have a nail here, we put the nail inside the eye. Place the top back on top of the pyramid, and then we have Egypt and its sun god. Jesus is the sun. He is God in the flesh, so he is the sun god. The nail represents the sun god. The sun god is the eye of Ra, the Egyptian god. The pyramid represents Egypt. And I've given you the sun god. That is what is on the back of the dollar bill. And George Washington, his face, his head, represents the alien that is inside our head. Or, as I said, extend, take this, extend the brainstem, lift, raise his head up, and you have the lab rat. But as I told you, stand him upright, bring the tail down here. The lab rat replaces the gold monk. The gold monk is the banana and the monkey. The monkey is the lab animal replaced by the lab rat. The tail represents suspension. Get rid of the suspension, and you're looking at the is a higher level of consciousness. This is enlightenment. This is an awakening. So everything that I've been able to do It's all been because of him. So here I am, explaining to you, the human brain, the lab rat, the Buddha. I owe everything that I do, everything that I've done, my way of thinking, my system, my formulas, I owe everything to him. Let me just take the word Tibet. You take the word Tibet, you got two T's. We'll place one T here, place one T there. That leaves the letters I, B, E. You take the B, turn it backwards, it becomes the letter D. So now you got D-I-E. You got the word die. You place the word die in between the two crosses. And what you have here is you have Calvary. God represents Jesus. So, you guys can understand all that. I know it is a little bit difficult. This is the Buddha. The gold monkey. The golden child. Get a good look at her. She is a bad mamma jamma. Kiss her. Thank you.